In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Slack by date in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to locate a specific message or simply want to navigate through your Slack conversations more efficiently, this guide will provide you with the essentials. To get started, we'll head over to Slack. If you haven't already, open your web browser and type in slack.com. This is where all your Slack interactions take place, whether you're checking messages, collaborating with your team, or keeping up with the latest project developments. Once you're on the Slack homepage, you'll want to sign in. For many of us, the quickest way to do this is by clicking on the Sign In with Google option. This method is incredibly convenient, especially if you're already logged into your Google account, saving you time while keeping everything secure. If you're not signed into Google, just follow the prompts to do so. Now that you're logged into Slack, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is the hub where all your channels, direct messages, and Slack apps reside. Think of it like your control center, giving you quick access to everything you need right at your fingertips. Next, we'll navigate to the Channels section. This is where all your team or project channels are neatly organized. Clicking on Channels allows you to see a list of all the places where conversations happen. This is particularly handy if you're working on multiple projects or with various teams. It simplifies how you manage your Slack workspace. Now, to locate a specific conversation by date, you're going to click on Show and Sort. This feature is part of Slack's robust search functionality. Once you're in this view, you can filter conversations based on a variety of criteria, including the date. This is incredibly powerful because it allows you to zero in on the exact information you need without scrolling endlessly through your feed. For instance, if you need details from a meeting held last month, just set the appropriate date range, and Slack will do the rest for you. Remember, searching by date can help streamline your workflow significantly. It's particularly useful if you have regular meetings or updates archived in Slack, making it easy to pull up past conversations whenever you need them. This tool can be a game changer in effectively managing information within your team. So, there you have it, a quick and easy method to search Slack by date. In just a few steps, you can transform how you navigate your Slack workspace. Whether you're retrieving forgotten meeting notes or catching up on missed conversations, these steps will help you stay organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.